In this video, we are going to see that if you want to find any Discord server to join, how you can join in the public communities who are always open, and how you can also join the YouTubers Discord servers. So many of the YouTubers now have the Discord servers. What you can do is just click on the description of that particular YouTuber, and they might have tiered the Discord link down there. So what you can do is just, if you want to, let's say, find a public server to join, although you can write whatever you want in google.com to find Discord service, you can just write Discord public service, and there are a couple of websites for you. Even the discord.com offers free servers, but what you can use for a public server is Discord public Discord server list. That's what I have used. So what this does is it will automatically, for the most of the time, add the servers ever is shared in the list in YouTube or in different public forums. So let's write YouTube, for example. And as we can see, we have a lot of YouTube servers available. And as you can see here, in each of the description, it defines what this channel or this community is all about. So you can search for some other results like YouTube community. If you want to interact with different peoples, YouTube channel, YouTubers, let's write YouTuber here, click search. And again, we have different results. So after deciding whatever you want to join, what you can click on is this join option. So for example, I want to join this gaming server. What you can click on is join. And in a moment, it will just verify you and redirect you to the shared link. It's redirecting. Okay, sometimes it feels like that particular website is not working, so don't worry about that. Let's just try something else. Let's go to the official Discord service on discord.com, and let's go here. I've already Midjourney added as a server. Just click on Wiggle. It has online 150,000 members, so that is great. And let's click on join server, and it is opening up the Discord app, and you've been invited. Accept. Immediately you will get the invitation just like that. And as you can see, now we are in the Wiggle. It asks you some basic questions. You can skip through it as well, doesn't matter. And as you can see, now we are in a new Discord server. So that's pretty much it, guys. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel, and I will see you in the next one.